Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Cadillac Escalade Platinum. This one's black. Underneath it's a 6.2 V8. For wheels we've got 22-inch chrome wheels. The tires are in good condition. Escalade badging. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Wood trim. Captain's chair in the rear. Rear seat entertainment with 2 headsets. Rear climate controls. 3rd row seating. Come around back, we've got our Escalade badging. Platinum. Power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats. Come alongside. Opening up the door, we have running boards, power windows, power seats, wood leather steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. Our media display. Hard keys for a media display. Rear view backup camera. Heated and cooled seats. Heated and cooled cup holders. This Escalade has 96,278 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Cadillac Escalade, check out feldmanimports.com.